എല്ലാവർക്കും നമസ്കാരം. തായ്ലൻഡിന്റെ യാത്രാവിശേഷങ്ങൾ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇഷ്ടമായി എന്നറിഞ്ഞതിൽ വളരെയധികം സന്തോഷം. So all of you liked the Safari World trip, right? So today I'm going to explain the details about one more famous attraction when you do a Thailand trip. The place is Phuket. Phuket is the largest island in Thailand. So when you travel to Thailand, you can directly go to Phuket by taking a flight from any of the cities from India, or you may go to Bangkok and then take an internal flight which is around 1.5 hour to Phuket. Phuket offers you lot of islands. You can go to any of the island, and if you want to spend 2 days, 3 days, that is also feasible. Or if you just want to take a round of islands, even that is possible. It has lot and lots of attraction when you wanted to do a family trip. So let us watch the details and attractions of Phuket trip. Phuket is Thailand's largest island. Thailand's largest island is Phuket, and the most famous one. It's blue waters, sandy beaches. Everything is very, very famous. And ഇത് വെറും ബീച്ചസ് അത് കാണാൻ മാത്രമല്ല, ദിസ് ഇസ് എക്സലന്റ് ഫോർ സ്നോർക്കലിംഗ്, ഡൈവിംഗ്, those kind of adventurous games as well. While doing parasailing also, they take you in the boat above the sea level, and you will be flying, and I was like really relaxed because I'm flying, but unexpectedly they pull you down and dip you in the sea and then again take you up, and it was not told to us upfront, and I was really got scared while doing it, but it was very nice. Well, when you do snorkeling, it's crystal clear water, and that makes it to clearly see the colorful corals, tropical fish, etc., etc. And they take you in the boat middle of the sea, and then you will be get dipped into the water to do the snorkeling activity, and it's such an adventurous thing to do, and you need not to even knowing swimming to do snorkeling. Island beach tour is one of the other popular attraction in Phuket. So they take you to 4 or 5 islands depending on the time duration which you select. Like you can go for a 4 to 5 hours or a full day. So they'll take you to different islands like Maya Beach, Phi Phi Island, etc., etc. And each island is very clean and neat and white sand. It's very beautiful to see. One of the other attraction in Phuket is Tiger Kingdom, which is a must watch, and kids will enjoy a lot. You can see different kinds and varieties of tiger, and you get a chance to closely interact with them. So if you have to get into their cage and take photos, you may have to pay a little Thai baht extra. So that's a separate ticket, but it's a must-see attraction in Phuket. Phuket Fantasia. It is a cultural theme park, a Las Vegas style Thai cultural show, and they got the best attraction ever. It's an ultimate nighttime entertainment on a holiday resort island of Phuket. It's not only give you an opportunity to see lot of shows by using live animals, a lot of shopping opportunity, a lot of games for kids to play. It explains the entire Thailand's rich and exotic heritage, and usage of their cutting edge technology in each show was very impressive to see.
大変になりますので、どうぞ、同行の点滴をご覧の上、カマラオのご時点に、マフィンをご体験ください。고객 여러분, 왕국의 판타지 저녁 9시 공연이 곧 시작됩니다. 코끼리 궁전 극장으로 입장하셔서 카말라의 마법과 신화, 신비를 경험하세요.
This entire attraction is in and around Kamala Beach, and we stayed also near to that beach, Kamala Beach, and accidentally my mother's name is also Kamala, so it was fun to roam around the place which was famous on her name. Elephant Camp. So trekking on elephant was one of the attraction in and around Fatong Beach. And reaching to any of the other islands from Phuket was also easy. For example, we went to Phi Phi Island and stayed one day over there. So you can get a ferry from Phuket to reach to Phi Phi Island, and stay or spend your time there, stay 1 or 2 days, and then you can go back. So similarly for Krabi and rest of the other islands also, you can reach through ferry. So after seeing all the attractions in Phuket, the next destination is Bangkok. So you can take a flight from Phuket to Bangkok, which is around 1.5 hour journey. പറഞ്ഞാലും പറഞ്ഞാലും തീരാത്തത്ര വിശേഷങ്ങളാണ് ഫുക്കറ്റിൽ ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നത്. ഒരു ഫുക്കറ്റ് ട്രിപ്പ് മാത്രം ഒരു 7 days ട്രിപ്പ് ചെയ്താൽ പോലും കണ്ടു തീരാത്ത അത്രയും സ്ഥലങ്ങളുണ്ട് ഫുക്കറ്റിൽ. ഓരോ ബീച്ചസും അതിൻ്റെ അത്രയും സ്പെഷ്യലാണ്. അതിൻ്റെ ദ ക്ലെൻലിനെസ്, ദ വാട്ടർ, everything. I mean, you just can spend a lot much of time on the beaches. So we have done with the Phuket travel. Next, I'll catch up with you with a couple of more attractions in Bangkok. See you. Bye.